Assalamu alaikum class. Today we are going to start exercises of chapter number 16. So let's start our work with the name of Allah. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Name of the chapter is Theorems Related to Area. Exercises 16.1 and the question 1, 2, 3 we will discuss today. First question is, show that the line segment joining the midpoints of opposite sides of the parallelograms divide it into two equal parallelograms. First of all, make a parallelogram ABCD, then join it with the midpoint that is passing from the center, that is ML point. This ML midpoint is actually dividing the parallelogram into two equal parallelograms, that is ALMD and LBCM. So you have to prove that ALMD and LBCM are equal to each other or not. So for the proof statement, we will write area of parallelogram ALMD is equal to area of parallelogram LBCM. Then for the proof, we will check the sides of the parallelogram that AB is parallel to CD, and we will write the reason that opposite sides of the parallelogram are parallel to each other. Then ML is the midpoint that is actually passing from the center and dividing the parallelogram into two equal parts. Then AL is congruent to LB, as AL and LB are having the equal distance, so these are congruent to each other. If they are congruent to each other, then the parallelogram ALMD and LBCM are on equal basis. Like their parallelogram ALMD and LBCM are having equal basis, that is AL and LB, and between the same parallel lines AB and DC, and these two parallelograms are present between the same parallel lines that are AB and CD. And in 16.1 theorem you have studied that if the parallelogram are having equal or same basis and they are present between the same parallel lines, then these parallelograms are equal to each other. So here these two properties are there, that they are having the equal base and they are present between the same parallel line, so they are equal. So we will write that therefore they are equal in area. Hence area of parallelogram ALMD equals to area of parallelogram LBCM. Coming towards the next question, question number 2. In a parallelogram ABCD, first of all draw a parallelogram ABCD. Measure AB is equal to 10 cm. The baseline AB equals to 10 cm. The altitudes corresponding to the sides AB and AD. They said that the corresponding sides of AB and AD, there are altitudes. What are altitudes? Altitudes are actually the perpendicular line from the base. So here the base is AB, the perpendicular line or opposite line from AB is DL. So here DL is the altitude of AB and AD is the base, so perpendicular opposite line is BM. So the base is AD and its altitude is BM. So they have given the values of these altitudes, that these altitudes are equal to 7 cm and 8 cm. You have to find out the value of AD. So first of all we will write the given statement. ABCD is a parallelogram. AB is equal to 10 cm. DL and BM are the altitudes of AB and AD. Then DL is equal to 7 cm. DL is actually the altitude of AB, and BM is equal to 8 cm, and BM is the altitude of AD. For proof, you have to find out the value of AD, so we will write measure AD is equal to question mark. After that, for proof, as we studied, the formula of area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by altitude. So we will replace the values. Measure AB multiplied by measure DL. AB is the base and its altitude is DL, equals to measure AD multiplied by BM. AD is the base and BM is its altitude. Now replacing the values, measure AB is equal to 10, measure DL is equal to 7. AD we have to find, so it will remain as it is. Then BM is equal to 8. Now rearrange the statement, measure AD you have to find. So equals to 10 multiplied by 7. 8 is multiplied here with AD. When it will move towards the other side, it will be divided. 10 multiplied by 7 is 70. 70 over 8. So my here AD is equal to 8.75 centimeters. So that is the answer. According to that base and altitudes values, we have to find out the value. So here the value is AD is equal to 8.75 centimeter. Third question is, if two parallelograms of equal area, they said that there are two parallelograms. Here you have to draw two parallelograms ABCD and LMNP. They are having equal areas, having the same or equal bases. Their base is same, AB and LM is the base, and their altitudes are equal, and NQ and CR are the altitudes and they are equal. So you have to prove that according to these parallelograms whether their altitudes are equal or not, because the altitude of AB is CR and altitude of LM is NQ. So given statement is in a parallelogram ABCD, CR is an altitude, and in parallelogram LMNP, NQ is an altitude, and AB and LM are same because AB and LM are the base of these two parallelograms and they are equal to each other. Area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram LMNP. So for proof you have to prove the altitudes are equal or not. So measure CR equals to NQ. CR is the altitude of AB and NQ is the altitude of LM. For the proof, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram LMNP. The formula is base multiplied by altitude. So AB multiplied by CR. AB is the base and CR is its altitude. Measure LM multiplied by NQ. LM is the altitude and NQ is its LM is the base and NQ is its altitude. So as in the statements we have proved that AB is equal to LM, that is given in the statement, because AB and LM are the base and they are equal. If they are equal, then automatically the altitudes are also equal. Measure CR and NQ are equal to each other. So it means it is proved that the parallelograms with equal area and with equal bases are having equal altitudes.